I'm wrecked. Feel like I say that every day. But we'd like to finish this van in the next couple of weeks, so gotta get as many hours in before work as we can. But I could use a nap. Do you want to see the remnants of, how I can tell that Matt has been here or not? Got 1, 2. Oh, he's had a bit busy week. Alright, let's see what I can do today. I get the feeling this is going to be very messy. I actually might put the camera away because I don't want to break it. Another day, more sanding. Doesn't seem to ever end. Partially because holding the machine up is very heavy and I can only do a short amount of time. Obviously sanding is happening, but the next big step is the roof is going in. So I'm going to wire up some of the insulation so that when Matt and I are finally here at the same time, we can put the roof in, which is very exciting. And we'll make it feel a lot more like we're actually getting somewhere instead of, it may not look different to you, it feels different to me, but it's not as satisfying as putting a roof in. This should be the last bit of insulation. Just the roof, which is good, because quite frankly, I'm tired of it. So yesterday, I was at work, Matt was here, and he put in all the insulation. I'll show you in a sec. But my basic try edit failed hard, so he went through while I was at work and smashed it out. It looks great. So now, we're finally in the same spot at the same time today, so we're gonna try and put the roof in. I don't think I've told you guys the plan for the roof, so you'll just have to see it when it comes, but it's exciting. Yesterday Matt sliced his foot open, so today we got actual safety shoes on while we're working with sharp metal. Yep.
Yeah, this is the culprit. I'm not sure if we'll get it.
Huh? Tell me if you need me to do anything.
Need to get Barton some snips.
Okay.
Make this job 10 times easier.
Do it then.
Yeah.
I went to work for a couple of hours and then I came back and cut a hole in the roof, got all the other panels ready. So by the end of this evening, we might have a roof in.
Cool.
There's teeny tiny little wires inside.
Oh shit. Nah. Is it one or two?
Two.
Alright, I can leave those up with these 4 little wires in there.
We have a new sander, which it was lended to us, and it is amazing because I can actually sand for a longer period of time than 5 minutes, and then my arms getting tired. de nada. De nada. What was on this paintbrush?
The black paint.
Yeah, I did.